one of the new things that we're building is this product that helps them track subscriptions, and we experienced this pain ourselves. Today, Slidebean, we pay, man, I don't know, $25,000-$30,000 a month on subscriptions like ClickUp and Intercom for support and Gmail and it's just this Adobe, the stuff that we use for that the team uses on their day-to-day activities. It adds up, and very quickly you come across things that somebody paid and forgot, or that two teams decided to pay separately, and you have two accounts in one thing, and you just realized, because as the organization grows, that kind of thing happens. So our next product that we're building it comes from our understanding of this problem, and we figured, okay, so it's a problem for us. It's likely a problem from others. Let's build a product that solves it.
Ah, wow. Yeah. So now it's like, once you have a team, once you have a company and it's running, how do you get rid of all the inefficiencies? Or at least
That's right.
that sort of stuff, and in that realm of things, and the subscription-based products and stuff.
That's right. Yeah.
Yeah.